Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add custom name on lock screen on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to set custom name on the lock screen of your iPhone, just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on focus. Now from here, tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, tap on custom. Now from here, just enter your name. Now once you have entered your name, just enter the color you like, just like that. Now from here, scroll down. Now from here, just select your favorite icon, just like that. Now from here, once you have selected your icon, just tap on next. Now from here, tap on customize focus. Now from here, to add your custom name to the lock screen, just go to the home screen. Now from here, just swipe from the upper right corner on the display to open the control center. Now from here, just tap on focus mode. Now from here, just select the focus mode we just created, just like that. Now from here, if you go to the lock screen, you can find the name we have just entered, just like that. And this is how you can set custom name on lock screen on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.